Welcome to our office. Hi,
Hey.
I'm Cindy.
And I'm Misty.
And welcome to our office. So we are real estate agents and we're gonna kind of demystify what we do, I guess, right?
Come check it out.
Well, let's start by showing you our office. Okay, to be honest, if you see us in the office, that means that
Something's wrong.
something's wrong. We're not busy. Yeah, we kind of feel like if we're in our office, then things are not being done because as a real estate agent, you need to be out there shaking hands, kissing babies. So if we're here, there's a problem. And we both get kind of angry that we're here too long.
Being here too
Courtney should be here. We should be getting like our hair did or something. But we are here today, and whenever you come see us, the first thing you'll do is you'll meet our receptionist. Okay, so she's not here,
She has a good job.
but she's amazing. You'll sign in, and then the first thing we do is we get a cup of coffee. So this beautiful real estate company, Douglas Elliman, has like great places for us to like train our agents,
Major
and
meetings.
just help each other out with the like issues we have and celebrate the wins. Okay, so we have this fancy thing called the Keurig. And I have about 30 a day, and Misty has like half of one a day.
Half of one, that's all I need.
Definitely, I drink the most coffee, no doubt. Misty has her one like little cup, like she measures it. And I'm like, who's
I don't
counting?
need it. And here's something super important. After 3 o'clock, of course, vino.
Yeah, so that's all our wine, even the ones from somebody's first communion. Like,
Don't tell anybody.
we took it with us. We're always ready to celebrate.
Should we go see Brett?
Oh my God.
Let's see if he's on the phone.
We bug Brett like, I think pretty much daily, whether he likes it or not. And he's either in his office showing property or he's on a horse. Poor horse.
Yep. This is, I got Rosa on here. You want to say hi?
Oh.
Hold on 1 second, Rosa. Come say hi, Rosa. It's the girls.
Hey, Rosa. Hey. How are you?
Rosa in Miami.
They can't hear you. Yeah, 2 weeks.
Oh yeah, we'll see you in 2 weeks. Bienvenidos a Miami.
Happy hour.
Okay, so he's obviously meeting with something. So Rosa is part of our sports and entertainment division that we partner up with Brett Miller. And we're gonna go visit her and
In
do
Miami.
lots of work. We have a very small team, but our team has been growing lately. We have Brett, we have Dwayne, we have Anna, who you'll meet, we have Katya, we have Tara. We want to keep it more like a SEAL Team 6 rather than just like anybody.
Very strong.
We're very particular. Okay, so we're gonna bring you back. We're gonna meet our new agent, Dwayne Washington. He's been up to some really major things.
You're gonna love him.
I've got my clipboard because who knows, I might wanna take a note, maybe. So come on.
Hey,
Dwayne.
how are you? Good to see you.
Welcome back.
How was Miami?
Oh my goodness.
Good?
It was great.
Oh, I love it.
It was super
I'm
great.
jealous because
Oh,
we were
me
stuck in sunny California in a heat wave. Oh, poor Dwayne. Miami with us. It's gonna be hot, and I don't know, we're gonna have a great time. Just seeing our new developments out there is gonna be pretty amazing.
I think he's gonna be terribly impressed.
I don't know if he's gonna keep up, let's be honest. We'll see, we'll see.
So did you have any meetings stacked up?
I did. Met with some clients and made a few additional contacts as well. And they kind of wined me and dined me a little bit. My name is Dwayne Washington. I'm a licensed real estate broker. I've been a licensed real estate professional for 30 years. I'm meeting with Cindy and Misty today just to go over some contracts and take a look at a few agreements and talk a little shop.
So why don't we make a plan for when we all head out there and meet your people? kind of like a little plan of attack, what we're gonna do, because I know we're getting an influx of people coming in from Miami and New York, but we're gonna stick with Miami. Oh, and look at some we have some new developments out there in Miami, so maybe we'll go take a look. Did you get a chance to look at any of ours?
You know, I did not, but I would
Yeah,
love to.
we'll set it up.
So
We
that's
might have to plan
reason
it.
to go back.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, exactly.
A big
Yeah,
trip out
for
to do
sure.
that.
Absolutely.
Worth it.
Cool. So we're so happy to have you on our team. Seriously, it's exciting.
Yeah.
So we'll drop the paperwork.
Okay,
Yeah.
well, I'm gonna beat this
Yeah.
LA traffic and
right.
head out.
Perfect.
Ladies.
Thanks, Dwayne.
Do this.
We got lots to do, so
Okay.
so glad you stopped in.
Thank you so much.
Bye, Dwayne.
Dwayne.
It's gonna be fun in Miami with Cindy and Misty. We're gonna get a lot of business taken care of, and we're gonna have fun while we're doing it.
This is a makeshift. Okay, it's really ugly. Let's be honest, and we're embarrassed about it.
It
but-
looks like the back seat of a Jeep, if you ask me.
And you know what happens there? Nothing. So we're eventually going to transform this little seating area that we magically created.
Yes.
Okay, and now the grand location. You'll meet
This
Courtney
is the big office.
and our office. So
This is our happy place where we love to
Yes.
swing. My favorite part of the office is my egg swings.
yeah, I love these things, man.
I
These
mean,
are a
it
good
just
idea.
makes me happy.
Good. Sometimes you get some good ones, some good ideas.
I get good ideas when I
Sometimes
sit
she
in
does
it
not,
and swing.
But this one is a good one. So this is not really a typical office when you look at it. You don't think real estate agent when you see this, but this is where like our magic happens. I think the best part is that people's alter egos come out when they get in an egg swing chair. I'm serious. Just like there's like some magic in these things. They all get like honest.
And I like
Yeah.
to see the look on their face when they come in and you're like, have a swing, let's chat.
We do have a team, and when we have our group meetings in here, it's really fun to just relax, and we want it to feel more homey because we're in the industry of selling and buying homes and real estate. So another part of our office is, you want to show our,
We just moved in not that long ago, so we haven't organized yet. But we got some important stuff going on in here.
clutter.
Yeah.
Clutter
But
and
useful
vodka.
clutter. And tequila.
So something really interesting that Misty and I do is we do a lot of estates. We sell estates, and oftentimes, like not everybody wants to keep their
Their grandparents' items.
So you'll see, I know it's super messy, but you'll see these really cool glasses that I'm sure your grandparents have had. They're beautiful. So when we get like an estate sale and we see that the beneficiaries who don't want anything is real, honestly, it's
kind of heartbreaking.
it's heart-wrenching. It's like they don't want grandma's stuff or great-grandma's stuff, and there's things that have been, you know, a legacy.
And you feel guilty throwing it away.
You'll see these really cool glasses that I'm sure your grandparents have had. They're beautiful. And we just couldn't bear like parting ways with
And none
some
of their
stuff.
grandchildren wanted them, and we felt so sad about it. So
But this is luxury.
they're living here.
So you can drink out of a solo cup, or you can drink out of these. And if it breaks, you're like, to grandma!
Yeah.
Right?
Celebrate.
I mean, there's some really cool stuff, like even the little dip thing. Like this is like real crystal and it's useful. So I don't know, hopefully we'll be able to show you guys some ways to use the stuff like your grandparents
And to bring it back to life.
had.
To bring it back to life.
This is a chicken. This is a chicken in a basket.
It's coming back in style.
We don't know what to do with this, but we're gonna figure it out. I think it's gravy. So when we find stuff and they're like, well, I don't want anything, we're like, okay, what are we taking?
Yeah.
We always take coupe glasses, so that's her thing.
That's my thing.
And now I love it. And anything unusual that we can use, and we use it with our clients, and then we have stories. There's always a story. Like one place had, I think, 30 ashtrays. We are both non-smokers, but if you need an ashtray, we got you
Give them to
covered.
Brett.
Let me talk about these vision boards, okay? So, this is the body I want. I want to have this body, okay? This is the body Misty has on her vision board that she wants.
Gotta have goals.
Gotta have goals. Our inspiration board started 10 years ago when Misty was going to a meditation retreat and she
Yeah.
brought me with her. And
They told us that we had to do these boards, and I thought it was kind of cheesy at the time, but I can go back and look and see how so many of the events happened.
Okay, let me show you my superficial world of my vision board. I have my family, I have my future body, I have my dogs. This right here represents our product line in either Target or somewhere spectacular. As we are going on in life, being real estate agents, but having all this, these items that we come across during
Collect.
these estate sales, we were like, you know, there's something here. There's something that people don't know. They already have luxury in their home, but there are certain items that we found that we want to recreate and bring back. Things from the 30s, 40s, 50s that are lost. And
To style it with something new, with
Totally.
something contemporary.
totally new, make it a little bit ourselves. We both have very distinct tastes. And we would love, our goal is to have our own product line out there with these, bringing these items back and making them new again.
So Cindy likes that body for herself, and I want this body for myself.
You look really ripped
Gotta have goals.
and topless.
So I had a vision when I was, or during COVID, when everybody was stuck at home and I was watching all these cooking shows, and I had a dream that Cindy and I were going to have a cooking show. And what we didn't show you is we have an amazing psychic upstairs, and I saw her in the bathroom, and she told us that she sees us having a cooking show together. So I was right.
Lord help us.
And so this represents my winery, and I love baby goats. So this is the boss, Courtney.
This is
She's the one that
Courtney.
makes everything happen for real.
Okay,
Courtney was referred by a friend of ours who's in the business,
Yes.
and we liked her so much we didn't want to hire her.
We did not want to hire her.
And we didn't at first.
We
Didn't at first because we liked her
We're
so
idiots.
much.
So she didn't really have a title because she
Does everything.
Whatever needs
What
to
do you
be
want
done.
your title to be?
Oh boy,
The woman that does everything.
she's brilliant. She's definitely not going to last on our team. Like,
And she was so personable, we thought like...
well, it goes
and
back to our first assistant, who was just like us.
everybody had a good time all day,
Yeah,
and
it was-
no work got done.
No work got done. So we were afraid to bring Courtney on, but I will say it was like the best thing we've ever done. We're just so grateful to have her.
Working with Cindy and Misty, oh man. Chaos is mostly the word. No.
That's her.
It's honestly, you just never know. You never know. No 2 days have been the same, so definitely not boring, which is great because I don't want to be bored at work. So yeah, I don't know. We do. It's fun. I love working with them. They're great.
Good answer.
Yep.
We pay her.
Hey, hi. Yeah, do you
Don't take my video.
We want to see that new haircut. We want to see that new haircut.
No video.
Hi, babe.
You can't.
Courtney, you tell him no video?
No,
Okay,
you
okay.
can't.
Yeah, that's the deal. You walked it. You walked over the threshold. Look, have a swing.
You don't have a. I'm
Have a
filming
swing.
posted
I know.
sign down here.
I printed it out.
Okay, Esquire.
He's still videoing.
All right, my bad.
Have a swing. Who cut your hair?
Barrow across the street over there. He's
Well,
in that
that's
little
good.
pocket right there.
So he
good.
cut more than one hair. That's nice.
At least you have hair.
Very manly, babe. So what brings you here?
I was across the street and I thought I would just check in on you guys to see how it's going.
So more importantly, we have Miami in what, 2 weeks? No carbs.
No carbs.
While we're in Miami.
No
between now and
carbs.
then.
Between now and then.
Yeah.
on that note.
No carbs.
No, Miami, we're having carbs.
Just like I didn't sign a no filming agreement, I'm not signing
No stroll through Fat Town for Steven.
Oh, he's been there.
He has been. He did. I'll tell you what year it was in.
I'm kidding.
I'm not gonna stand around here and be insulted. If I'm gonna be insulted, I can go somewhere else and get insulted. Bye. Y'all have fun. Bye,
See
Victor.
ya.
Sorry, man. Good luck. Bye, Courtney. Be good.
Bye, Steven.
Yeah,
We'll fight later. Thank you so much for watching our show. The reason why we put this together is because there's...
We're conceited.
We cannot use that. That is so bad. No, because we're trying to show what we actually go through. We're trying to show what a real estate agent goes through, what our
Not all
daily life.
luxury.
It's not all contracts. Well, big part of it's contract to close, but it's not all about contracts and listing appointments. There is so many levels to what we do. There's so much in between, and we hope we can show you like a little glimpse of
Real life.
real life as a real estate agent. And because Misty's conceived. So hopefully you'll keep watching and
Like and subscribe.
because we really hope you enjoy what we do. Okay, so it's time for you guys to go because we got to make some magic happen.
Yes.
Some brain magic happen. We're just going to swing.
Building our
We're
empire.
going to build our empire. Seriously.